The Get It at UC button connects you to information sources through UC Library Search. We'll discover how to use the Get It at UC button found in library databases to easily locate or request articles and books. Let's look at some examples to illustrate. We found the article citation, "Is it more thrilling to ride at the front or the back of a roller coaster?" in our Academic Search Complete database. Though the article citation above has HTML full text, this one does not. To look for the article's full text, we'll click on the Get It at UC button. This takes us into UC Library Search. To view the full text PDF, we can either click Download PDF or click on AIP Citation American Association of Physics Teachers. On to example number 2. Now we're in a psychology database. We found a citation for a book titled Sleep and Health. Click on Get It at UC to view the book record in UC Library Search. Under View Online, click Elsevier Science Direct Books Complete to access the book. In both of these examples, we were able to immediately navigate to the content we wanted with the Get It at UC button, since our library owns or subscribes to the content. However, even if we don't have the article or book in our library collection, the Get It at UC button is super helpful. From UC Library Search, we can request the information sources we need. Let's look at one example. We're back in Academic Search Complete looking at an article citation titled Pathophysiology of Current Odontogenic Maxillary Sinusitis. When we click on Get It at UC, we land back in UC Library Search. To see request options, we will be prompted to sign in if we aren't already. Click Sign In, log in using the Merced Students and Staff option, sign in with your UCMnet ID, authenticate with Duo. Click the Interlibrary Loan banner. Your Interlibrary Loan request will populate with information about the article. Scroll down and click Send Request. You will receive a confirmation message that your request was successfully placed. You can also visit your name at the upper right and select My Requests to view your request. Congratulations, you have requested this article. You will receive an email in 3 to 5 business days when the article is available for you to download. If you request a book, you will be notified when it is available for pickup from our second floor library services desk. Bring your CAT card to check it out. If you want to know more about accessing articles or books through Get It at UC, ask a librarian for help.